Yo, what is up? What y'all know about that?
My name is Erica.
Oh.
Excuse me, honey, don't mean no harm. Turn around again. Like a Benzie.
Now that is classic hip hop right there. Raekwon featuring Method Man. Y'all don't know nothing about that.
You can have anything in this world except cream. So what you wanna do? What you wanna do?
Okay, eventually I will get to this video. Just hold on, hold on. All up in your guts, all up in your I don't even feel like doing the video. I just want to like rap to it real quick. Or doing the video. Look at me. I'm all in video mode. I'm at the jam to that later. Ah, just classic. All right, y'all. Sweet Pea, Live 22 here. Please don't hate on that fingernail. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. Please don't look at that. All right, so this is a long overdue video, y'all. Long overdue. Long overdue. Alright, so in my first couple of videos I told you guys that I'm a big crafter and I craft a lot of things. I create earrings, necklaces, bracelets, rings, shoe designs, a whole bunch of stuff. I sew clothes, all that stuff. And I've been wanting to put up a video for like the longest on the shoes I've been designing, but I just really haven't had the time. And I'm like one of those people that I don't like to present things unless the whole collection is done. Like, I'm an artist. I draw first. I, do animations, cartoons, and stuff like that. And I usually don't like to present my art until it's done. But my guy has been like nagging me. He's like, yo, when are you going to put the shoes up? When are you going to put the shoes up? What are you waiting for? And I'm like, I'm waiting for my whole collection to be done. But my whole collection will never be fully done because I'm constantly doing things and adding stuff. So I guess I'll just show you a little bit of what I've done. All right. So the first shoe I'm going to show you, it's actually on one of my outfit of the night videos, which is this shoe right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. Originally this shoe did not have all of this, of course. And it actually came with like some rocker type things here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Some rocker things here and then a couple of rocker thing I want to say like they almost looked like those spike things, but they were flat spikes. And the shoe just never really looked right. So I yanked the fucking spikes off. Excuse my language. I yanked the spikes off. So I added my own Swarovski crystals down here. It sucks that you can't really see the shine of the shoe because of my lighting, but they shine incredibly because they're Swarovski. I think it's pronounced Swarovski, whatever. But yeah, I, put Swarovski crystals all down here and along the sides here. And then on the bottom, it just sucks that you guys can't see the shine because they shine really nicely. But yeah, I added Swarovski all across the bottom of that heel. And please, guys, don't look at my middle finger. I know I got Lee press-ons on, and I'm getting them done tomorrow. Okay, and then all along the back, those are Swarovski crystals. And the back alone, I want to say it's about 350 or 360 stones along the back. Oh, I'm so mad that you can't see the shine because these boys are shining. And then of course I added my own red bottoms. They look pink on camera, but they're red. I've actually, originally when I started doing this, you can tell I've worn them a few times. I need to actually redo this. They're still in trial bases, these shoes. When I first started doing it, I would do rubber bottoms. But the rubber bottoms don't really hold up very well here, as you see. So I've switched over and now I paint my bottoms. Because the rubber really doesn't last. I do like my first set of shoes I did, which I don't have here, that at my sister's house in Fort Lauderdale. The rubber, it only lasts for maybe 4 or 5 wears, and then they start to look like this. So I gotta find a different way, which I have found a different way. I'm now painting the bottom, so it makes it a lot easier. So yeah, I'm just mad you guys can't see the shine on that because they sparkle very nicely. And they're Swarovski crystals. I ordered them from this website online where I can buy them in bulk. And it's a really awesome website because before I used to get them from Michaels. And Michaels only sells you, it's like maybe 30 in a pack for $4.99. So imagine buying a bunch of little packets with 30 and you trying to do a whole shoe, you're gonna spend $100 on maybe only like 200 stones, which is ridiculous. Where the website where I order them from now, I can get about 500 Swarovskis and I only pay 50 bucks. So it's awesome. All right, so the other shoe I did were these here. I call these my Dorothy's. Okay, it's all glitter, all red glitter. And I gave them yellow bottoms. I don't know why I decided to give them yellow bottoms. But, you know, like I said, I'm an artist. So I just wanted to do something different. I haven't seen any yellow bottoms anywhere. So that's what I did. And I called these my Dorothy's. I tell you, these bad boys shine, shine, shine. I actually did these. Guys, it's been so long. I did these, I want to say last January or last December. Like, I've been depriving you guys. I should have been showed you guys my shoe collection. The only ones you guys have actually seen was the ones I put on the video, the outfit of the night videos. But yeah, that's that. Call these my Dorothy's. And in a minute, I will be recreating my website so that you guys can order them. But yeah, this one's just all red glitter all the way around with yellow bottoms. And these are actually a different type of rubber. These hold up quite well. I've worn them twice and you can't even tell because I kind of cleaned the bottom. But yeah, but the place I wore them was to the restaurant, so I wasn't really walking all around. So those are those. Now these I actually did first. And I'm so mad because I decided to, these are basically, the ones I'm about to show you now, it's trial and error. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, trial and freaking error. These were actually the second pair that I did. And gosh, they're dusty. Probably should have cleaned them off first. That's how you know I designed these a long time ago. This is how they look. It was a basic black high heel. This part is kind of jacked up because I came up with the idea to paint and then spray paint after I had already designed all of this. So what I have to do now on Thursday is go to the shoe store or the shoe repair store, whatever, and get shoe paint. Because I'm going to have to fix this mess that you guys are going to see on the other side. Which is terrible. I hate to even display my shoe looking like this. But, you know, I just got to get it out there. I can't just be holding my fashions in, damn it. Alright, so this is what the shoe looks like. I did the whole back. This is all Swarovski crystal down here. I put Swarovski on the side there, side here. All along the opening of the shoe there. Peep toe is all done with Swarovski. And then you see the madness that happened here. Because what happened was I decided to glitter bottom. So when you're walking, all you see is glitter bottom, you know? But the way that I have my plastic bag covering the shoe, it started to leak. So as you see, I have all of, like, the shoe was done, guys. Like, I was so mad. I've had these shoes for so long. I've worn them out. I've worn them to work. I've worn them to the clubs. And then I decided to do a different way of designing the bottom. I guess I didn't seal my bag well enough because the freaking paint seeped through. So I'm so annoyed. But yeah, all I got to do now is just paint the shoe back black again. But if you guys can just look past this craziness here, because I'm going to paint them black. And once I paint them black again, I will show the shoe again, and it'll look 20% better. Like, not 20%, 100% better. But yeah, so if you can just look past this craziness that's right there, and just look at the design, it would be great appreciated. Greatly appreciated, y'all. Yeah, don't look at that right there, because I got to fix that. That was trial and error, y'all. Trial and error. But yeah, it's all Swarovski. This one's, I might call it my dainty shoe because it's only Swarovskis in certain areas. And then when you're standing there, all people see from the back is pink glitter paint. Like, it's paint and then I threw glitter on top of it. White glitter that shines up pink. It's like, it's almost like a fluorescent glitter that I put on top of that. This lighting sucks balls. I might do this video again with not so much lighting because you really can't see the definition of the Swarovski crystals and stuff, y'all. And then last but not least, I have another shoe that I'm actually working on now too, but I don't want to show you until the shoe is done. They're really, really hot. They're like orange, brown, and like sandy Swarovski crystals. Like, I can't even really tell you too much about it because they're in the works. But I'll show you my sandals that I did. Did these a long time ago, like last summer. Love these to death. These were actually apple bottom sandals. And when I got them, they had a It was silver, like tape type thing wrapped around here. Oh, guys, I only had these shoes for, I wore them 3 times. The whole little rubber silver thing came off the freaking shoe, okay? And then, originally, there was only 3 little cheapy, you know, those cheapy rhinestones, not the Swarovski, because some people don't know the difference. There's rhinestones, and then there's Swarovski crystals. The shoe came with the little cheapy rhinestones. Okay, I wore the shoe 3 times. 1 rhinestone came off in the middle, because it was originally only 1, 2, 3 little cheapy stones, and then this. This is actually the original piece right here, where it says, is it apple bottoms? Yeah, apple bottom, and then these actually stayed on. These never came off, so I just left those. And I always thought that was kind of weird. It's like, how are you going to have real Swarovskis in here, and then you put little cheapy things here? Nelly, let me work on that. So yeah, when the shit fell apart, I was like, I'm just going to recreate these bad boys. So I took the whole silver rubber piece off, and I lined them with Swarovski crystals. And once again, my lighting is really bad, so you can't see how much they shine, but they really, really shine. Every time I wear them, I get mad compliments on them, because people are like, oh, where'd you get them from? And I tell them, you know, I bought them from here, but I designed them myself. But yeah, these are bad. I love these to death. I wear them all the time. I was actually thinking about adding more on here, but I don't know. But yeah, these are great shoes. They're so soft. And I actually saw a pair just like these in rainbows when I went back home a couple of months ago. And of course, they didn't have this part on it, the apple bottom thing. But I'm thinking about buying a bunch of those in bulk and then just like, you know, doing the shoes, because they're actually really, really nice. They are so comfortable. I wear these all the time. Wear them in the winter, summer. Pfft, these are the bomb. But yeah, so that's my little shoe collection for right now. Like I said, I'm working on another pair now, but I don't want to show you guys because it's a really hot shoe and it's not done. So that was just a little bit of what I've been working on, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, that's about it for right now. So I'll talk to you guys later. And let's close it out with some music. Brand Nubian. Oh, y'all don't know nothing about that. But anywho, I'll get back at y'all. Sweet Pea here. Y'all have a good one. Bye.